Can Squarespace host videos? And the answer to this question is yes. Squarespace offers hosting services to its customers. And now Squarespace also offers externally hosted videos on YouTube and Vimeo. Here on the pricing page you can see that Squarespace gives video storage of 30 minutes in each plan. So let's go to our Squarespace websites and see how can we add video. First we need to go to pages section and then click on the plus sign. Here you can see a video section, click on it. Here I can see two templates. I like the first one. You can name the page as well. I am just going to name it video. And then I can move it to main navigation so that the people can see our video page on main navigation. You can see on the top that video has appeared. So let's preview it. On the top you can see a video page. And here you can see that all the videos have been added to our website. I can play any video I want. And here you can see a video player and I can play the video. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.